are currently at war with Nigeria Army this morning, Biafra Liberation Army. Things are really happening. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are really welcoming you here. Here we dey bring you back to back update as it dey happen for inside Nigeria, for inside Biafra land, or anywhere where they share, na there we dey bring you back to back update as it dey hot. Before we go look into the ongøing news we will get for hand to this morning, abeg may you try check whether you don't subscribe to this channel. If you never, or may you try subscribe and also turn your notification bell for a quick update as you dey hot. Let's quickly jump into the ongøing news where we'll get for hand. Now, so they hear say Biafra Liberation Army, they tell us this morning say they into a heavy attack from Nigeria Army as they bomb from up and also shooting from ground. They say that they give them back to back as it dey hot. So we are here to bring you the update and to tell you what they go on. So let's go ahead and watch the video, and when we'll come back, we'll continue. Stay tuned.
I want to tell you that this morning they have come with a new style. Nigeria government, the terrorist zoological republic have come with new style. They came with new style this morning. But as I told them before, that in whatever way they came, we are equal to the task. It is the game we know how to play best. They come with silent drum and have been dropping bomb more than 10 since morning as early as 6 o'clock. They have been dropping bomb with drum. But the question I want to ask them, as I always do, if you use one day to drop bomb, what happened to the other 6 days? Nothing happened. No. If something happened, I will not be here to tell you this. Nothing really happened. No effect of all their bomb that they have been dropping. Just the same way Israelis has iron missile that have been intercept all the rocket launcher, all the bomb the Gaza have been throwing to Israel. The same way Chukokika Biama have sealed us with, shield our territory with anti-bomb protection. It will be like a magic unto them, but they do not know that they cannot destroy us, as I always tell them. You always waste the money. Look at your economy, it is going down. Instead of you to think how to, save your citizens and negotiate Biafra and save your life, you think of to use the money, even as your economy is going down, to buy weapons to come and fight for us. That is what I call waste of money. You can hear the sound of gun. We are properly now engaging them. We are engaging them. They are afraid to come with a fighter jet, rather they are now using drone to come and be dropping bomb. But I'm here to tell them that all their bomb that they have been dropping since morning, nothing happened. They can see. And as you can see, nothing happened. I'm seeing the bush, they came to drop the bomb. I'm seeing the forest. And as you can see, I am staying very comfortable, telling them that we go nowhere. Okay? We go nowhere. So therefore, do not panic. Don't be afraid. We are capable to the task. We are equal to the task. Oh, no. It is understatement to say we are equal to the task. We are greater than the task. Believe you me, we are greater than the task. They have come to die. and they will die in mass. Their foot soldiers have already approached, thinking that the bomb have already caused a lot of damage. For their greatest surprise, they are collecting right now. As I'm talking to you now, they are collecting wutu. Later in the day, I will still come up to update you what conspired today. But right now, we are combating their foot soldier because they thought that the bomb have already claimed us. But they're supposed to know us by now that we are those child where then they call Awanowu. I don't know if I pronounce it well. Awanowu. You do abortion to remove a child, the child refuses. He says it's either he follow you or you follow him to the grave instead of him to come out. And finally, since you no one die, you will give birth to the child. The child, because of the things you have been taking, you disconfigure the child, and the child refuses to die. The child refuses to die, whatever things you do. Even though you give that child poison, this snapper, the child will not die. That is who we are. Tell them that that is who we are. They cannot kill us. No matter what they do, we refuse to die. They will only waste their money, they will only waste their time, and they will only lose their life. And at the end of it, Biafra will see come. Biafra will see come. That is for sure, 100% sure, that at the end of all this drama, Biafra will emerge. I wanted to do broadcast yesterday night. The network did not allow me. Then keep cutting me off and restarting my Facebook. So maybe later in the evening, I will combine the update of today, war, and what the exposition of the DOS guy that was out of frustration is cry out his mind. Out of frustration, I will still bring him on board. But for now, let the game begin. Because the enemies of Biafra land have come to die in the land of our ancestors. And I pray to Chukwukika Abiyama, the creator of heaven and earth, the owner of water and land, that the land of Biafra will suck enough blood of the enemies. Today is Nkwo. And Ikuku will claim their life as many as he could. Because they will go nowhere. They come to the land of Biafra, and the land of Biafra will kill them because they come with bullet and gun. They are the enemies of people. They are the enemies of land, and the land will swallow them. The land of Biafra will swallow each and every one of them. You can hear the battle is going on. I just come here this morning to tell you to stay tuned. Keep praying for the men on ground, although we are greater than the problem. We are on top of the situation. But your prayer is our strength. Your prayer is our power. Right now, the spirit of the land is already out for work, and they are beginning to fall. I told you, this is how to know if they are winning us. This is how to know if they are winning us. If I did not come up to update you on time, then you know, hey, maybe these people don't win us. But what normally happens to them at the council, they will die as many before even 12 o'clock, they don't run. Wash my mouth. And look at your time now, it's just 7:30. Before 12 o'clock, Because of too much debt they will incur today, they will run away. Then go down run away. They can use grammar, speaking. These people no get strength. They are just terrorists. They know they won't die, all of them. If they just see say many of them don't they fall, the next thing then go begin they shout, retrieve, 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 retrieve. Either fight and run away, live to fight another day. Now waiting then they shout here. Then go begin they run away. But the good thing is that we always tell them to pack their dead body because we don't want their dead body to smell in the street of Biafra. At least the blood don't pour for ground. That is enough for us. Now their blood we need. We don't need their dead body. And we will give them that chance to pack their dead body. If they hear me so. We are the owners of the land. This is the land Chukwukikabiama give to our first father, that give to our great-grandfather, that give to our grandfather, that give to our father, that give to us. But believe you me, this very land, we must give it to our children without the presence of any terrorists. Terrorist Fulani, terrorist Yoruba, terrorist Hausa, terrorist Britain. There would be no presence of any terrorists in the land. Nothing anybody can do about it. Do you understand that? They must understand that it is either Biafra or Biafra, nothing less, nothing more. It does not matter how many there are. If they come in million, they will die in million. If they come in million, they will die in million. Then come in thousand, they will die in thousand. Then come in 100, they will die in 100. Then come in unit, they will die in unit. Then come single, they will die single. The land of Biafra will swallow all the enemies of Biafra. We go nowhere. The earlier they understand now, this, the better for them. And we are here to restore the holy lands of Biafra, and there's nothing anybody can do about it. Do you get me? So therefore, I will tell them to deploy more soldiers. Try your best. Try your very best to stop us. Because what I know for sure is that the more you try to stop us, the more you empower us more to step forward. The more you put your strength to stop us. You know, when you put all your strength to stop something and that thing still grow from strength to strength, you'll be frustrated. Nigeria will be frustrated at the end. At the end of it, they will say, Biafra, go your way. So I encourage them to put more of their strength. Put your strength more. You will understand at the end that it is Chukwukikabiama that sent us. We did not send ourselves. Because the death of innocent soul you have been killing, have been crying for vengeance for God. And God have heard their prayer. And every single soul you have been murdered in the cool blood, every innocent soul you have been killed, their blood must be revenge.
Back as I've watched that video and hear everything we talk for this particular video, says you waiting they go on for the side where they did this morning. He said they have come so many ways, and this one they come with food, and they also come with a silent drum, according to him, to attack them for inside that bush with the day. But he say, as in they talk now, say, men they gribam. They get them one by one. Things they happen. But no say this things where they happen. Our media no go report them, or let's say when they say they keep Biafra Liberation Army, all media go carry and say Nigeria Army say they don't buy Biafra. But now Biafra Liberation that report how many of them whether they buy the news, no they ever carry them. Now waiting they go on for inside this country. When the things why they tell our soldiers and everybody where they fight for this cause, once you keep your hand clean, you always win. And as I'm seeing that in coming future, in coming days, Biafra will be advanced and will have access to new technology that will help them to defeat this war. This is what I see, that I'm telling you people. It's no longer gonna be there in the bush. They will now know their base, and before you can access that place, it will be only God help. So this is what I'm seeing that will happen very soon. So guys, please share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Very, very important. And also anyway you see our video, share it and leave your own opinion in the comment section.